Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. On the right side, click on your YouTube channel icon, go to settings. From here, click on edit on Google. And on this page, you just click on this little picture icon. Here is where you can choose a new picture or upload a new one. You will select one and click done. You notice a little message here on the bottom saying that it might take some time for the change to appear everywhere. Another thing I want to show you is this is the same place where you can change your title. I'm not going to change mine today, but there you have it. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you.